A lot of South Florida homes look incredible during the day, but almost disappear at night. Dark walkways, harsh shadows, and landscaping you can't even see. This is a home right now where that's happening, and we'll actually show you what actually makes lighting look clean, balanced, and high-end.
We're over here today on the side of a home, new construction. It's a custom home, one of a kind, it's beautiful. We have another one of a kind bonsai tree right here. We're gonna put two little small lights that are gonna simply illuminate the structure, the branches, and this is just gonna really, really come alive at night. In addition to that, we have a special stone here with some incredible cuts. It almost looks like a huge diamond, but we're gonna illuminate this stone, this plant, and this wall is all gonna be uplit by some RGB lighting. And then in addition, these little topiary balls are gonna get some soft glows, and this is gonna be a path that just simply comes alive at night. I mean, it's gonna be magical out here.
That's what landscape lighting is all about. A lot of homeowners try adding a few lights themselves, but great outdoor lighting is more than just placing fixtures around the yard. Professional landscape lighting design considers how the eye moves across a property, which architectural and landscape features should be highlighted, and how each area connects visually to the next. It's a balance between art and technical precision. Our process begins with a design consultation at your property. We walk the property with you to understand how you use your outdoor spaces and what features you want to highlight. We look for focal points, things like trees, pathways, architectural details, or outdoor living areas. Lighting is used to guide the eye from one focal point to the other, creating scenes and transitions throughout the property. Once we understand the property and your goals, we create a custom lighting design plan. This plan balances brightness, fixture placement, and beam angles to create a natural, elegant nighttime look. Landscape lighting has evolved dramatically over the past 2 decades. Today's LED lighting systems are far more efficient, longer lasting, and capable of producing incredible lighting effects compared to older technologies. Our team specializes in LED landscape lighting and has been designing and installing custom systems across South Florida since 2003. The goal is simple: use the right amount of light in the right places to enhance the natural beauty of your home. The transformation can be dramatic. Great landscape lighting extends the time you can enjoy your outdoor spaces, improves safety around walkways and entrances, and it adds an incredible curb appeal. And when it's done right, the lighting feels natural, almost like moonlight revealing the beauty of your property. If you've ever wondered what your home could look like after dark, a custom lighting design is the place to start. Schedule a consultation with Illumination FL and discover how landscape lighting can completely transform your property.